Hi guys, so today I'm back with another crazy natural hair care video, and today I'm gonna tell you about an amazing oil that's gonna make your hair super voluminous. I think you already have this oil somewhere in your kitchen, or you tried it while you were making food, but I bet you never tried it as a hair care product. So the oil I'm talking about is cashew oil. Yes, you heard it right, it's cashew oil for hair care. So 3 years ago I started using oils as a hair mask, as a hair treatment, and ever since I tried so many different oils for hair care, but cashew oil I think was so unique and amazing that it even deserves a separate video. While I was using the cashew oil, I used one full bottle of it. The next day I noticed that my hair is super voluminous, it has the texture of a body, hair even felt like it's heavier than it was before. So yeah, I was thinking like, why the hell, why it's happening like this? But guys, when you buy a new bottle of fresh raw cashew oil, you'll notice that approximately like 1/3 or a bit less of a bottle contains some kind of sediments. These are small cashew particles, like cashew powder, and I think cashew powder is the one to blame here. I think we all tried, or at least saw, this kind of hair texturizing, volumizing, hairstyling powders that every drugstore hairstyling brand makes. So yeah, I think cashew powder mixed with cashew oil works the same. So remember, you have to shake the bottle really well before the application so the oil and powder would mix together really well. And when apply the cashew oil on your hair, I used probably like a palm size of the oil. I applied it on my hair, I let it sit for probably like 3 or a bit more hours if I can, and when I wash everything with my regular shampoo, and when my hair dries out, it has a beautiful volume and texture, and it's super easy to style it. I hope you're gonna try this method. Cashew oil is really beneficial for your hair because it nourishes your hair. It also helps to improve the structure of your hair, and look, it's also a hairstyling product, so I definitely suggest you trying this stuff, and yeah, I hope you love it as much as I do. So yeah guys, thumbs up this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more if you are also obsessed with natural hair care, skincare stuff as I do. And of course, thanks for watching. I love you all so much, and we'll talk in my next video. Bye guys!